Yes, yesterday's problem. How many 5-digit numbers are possible which are increasing order from left to right?
95, sir.
Increasing from left to right. What is the answer?
95.
Correct. And decreasing from left to right?
NC5.
Good. Saidur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
See, suppose we have 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 9, these digits. Select, suppose at a time we need 5 digits. At a time we need 5 digits. Let us select any 5 out of 10. Suppose this 5 is 2, 1, 0, 9, 8. This is one selection out of these many selections. This is one of the selection of 5 digits out of these many selections. So corresponding to this selection, the number which are increasing from left to right is 0, 1, 2, 8, 9. Only one. Corresponding to each selection, there is only one such number satisfying the given condition. So if you write here 10C5, and if in the selection 0 comes, then 0 will be in first place, fifth place. In that case, it won't be a 5-digit number.
Yes.
Okay? For increasing from left to right. For increasing from left to right. The answer is 95 because we can't select 0. If 0 comes in the selection, it will be in the fifth place. In that case, it won't be a 5-digit number. Okay? So forget 0. Other than 0, we can select any 5 and corresponding to each selection of 5. Suppose this is 9, 7, 5, 4, 3. This is one of the selection. Corresponding to this selection, what is the number which are increasing from left to right? 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Corresponding to each selection, there is only one arrangement which will satisfy the given condition. So for increasing from left to right, the answer is 95. For decreasing, the digits will be in decreasing order from left to right. In that case, if 0 comes, in this case, if 0 comes, because digits are in decreasing order, 0 will be at unit place. 0 will be at unit place. And it will be a 5-digit number. It will be a 5-digit number. So the answer is 10C5. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन करते हैं. The digits 1 2 3 4 up to 9. Total number of 9-digit numbers which are divisible by 9. From the question, it is obvious that we are using all 9 digits at a time. Okay, means repetition is not allowed. Digits this are written in random order. All 9 digits we write in random order. So how many digits are possible? How many 9-digit numbers are possible which are divisible by
9 factorial.
9 factorial? Very good. Because
The sum is always divisible by
sum is always divisible by 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9 is 45. 45 is divisible by 9. Okay. So we can arrange these 9 digits in 9 places in how many ways? 9 factorial ways. In 9 places, these 9 digits can be arranged in 9 into 8 into 7 into till 1. So first one is 9 factorial. What is the answer for second one?
Four factorial into 3 factorial.
16 into 7 factorial.
Ishaq.
Yes, sir.
Good. Correct. See, condition for divisibility by 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. And 0 is not there, repetition should not be allowed. Just fix 1 and 2 here, and remaining 7 digits can be arranged in how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fix up 1 here, 2 here. Remaining 7 digits can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Now, this is one case. The other case is 16. 20 will not be there because 0 is there. 0 is not here. After 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 will not be there, 44 will not be there, 48, 52, 56, 60 will not be there, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80 is not there, 84, 88 will not be there, 92, 96. Fixing 1, 2 here, corresponding to this case, there are total 7 factorial numbers. Remaining 7 digits can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Corresponding to this case again, 7 factorial, fix up 1 here, 6 here. We can't arrange it. Fixing 1 and 6 and remaining 7 can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. So in how many cases are there? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 possibility, and corresponding to each possibility, there are 7 factorial numbers. Okay. Corresponding to each possibility, there are 7 factorial numbers. So therefore, total number of 9-digit numbers which are divisible by 4 is 16 into 7 factorial. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So what is the condition for divisibility by 9, sir?
Divisible by 9. Sum of the
9.
digits should be divisible by 9.
Yes.
Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. You add up all these 9 numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9. What is the sum? 9 into 10 by 2.
Yes, sir.
45. So you write these 9 digits in any order. The sum of the digits will be divisible by
9.
9. So any arrangement of these 9 numbers will be divisible by 9. So that's why 9 factorial. This one, second bit is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A 9-digit number is formed using the digits 1 to 9, taking all at a time because repetition is not allowed. In such a way that product of any 5 consecutive digits are divisible by 5. How many such 9-digit numbers are possible? Just one line question. You understood the question or not?
Understood, sir.
See,
9 factorial.
So 9 factorial. Suppose 5 is here. If you pick up these 5, 9-digit number. If you pick up these 5 numbers, consecutive digits, will it be divisible by 9? If 5 is not there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So where should we fix 5? If you fix up 5 here, pick up any 5 consecutive. Let it be this. Let it be this. Anyone. The worst case is from the end or from the beginning. Select any 5 consecutive digits. In that 5 will come, definitely come. It will come or not?
Sir.
Okay. So fix up 5 here and remaining 8 digits can be arranged in how many ways? There is no condition for remaining 8 digits.
Yes, sir. 8 factorial ways.
8 factorial ways. Okay. By fixing 5 here, and there is no condition for other digits, it can be arranged in any order. So total number equals 1 into fixing 5 one way, 8 factorial. Any doubt here? 8-digit number is formed using the digits 0 to 9. Repetition not allowed. How many numbers are possible? How many numbers are possible which are divisible by 9? We're forming 8-digit numbers and we have 10 digits, 0 to 9. Just think of.
If in this previous problem, sir, if we keep fine between them, then also we'll not get no, sir. All 5 numbers divisible by 5.
If 5 is here,
How are they divisible by 5, sir? All 5 consecutive numbers.
pick up, suppose this is first place. This is first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, seventh place, eighth place, ninth place. Now, which 5 consecutive do you want to select?
2, 5.
Huh?
Pick like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Irrespective of any digit here in these places, this is place. If 5 is here, whatever number is here, this number into this number into this number into this number into this number, obviously will be divisible by 5 because 5 is there. You are not getting. Suppose this is one of the arrangement. You want to select these.
Sir.
Just I am telling you. 3, 4, 5. Suppose here is 3, here is 6, here is 8, here is 1. In one of the arrangement, in third place is 3, fourth place 6. Obviously, we have fixed up here. If you multiply these 5 numbers, 3 into 6 into 5 into 8 into 1,
Yes, sir.
will it be divisible by 5?
Yes.
Then pick up any 5 consecutive, it will be divisible by 5. Because 5 is sitting in the middle.
Yes, sir.
Just think of this.
36 into 7 factorial.
Good. See, at a time we can use 8 numbers. At a time we can use 8 numbers in such a way the sum should be divisible by 9. So we have to exclude 2 numbers. We can exclude these 0, 9, and remaining 8 numbers we can arrange in any order. That will be divisible by 9 because we are taking 9 out and 0. Then 1, 8. Just simple counting. 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5. That's it. Just select these 2 numbers, just pick up these 2 numbers, 0 and 9, and keep it aside. Remaining 8 numbers can be arranged in how many ways? Here it is 8 factorial ways. Because 0 is not there, here it will be 7 into 7 factorial ways. Because picking up 1 and 8, keeping it aside, we are left with which numbers? 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. These 8 numbers we are left with. If we don't use these 2 numbers, then these numbers, in how many ways we can arrange them? How many 8-digit numbers are possible? Here 0 cannot be there. 7 options.
Yes, sir.
7 options. 1. Here 0 cannot be there. That's why we have how many options?
7.
7. Now 0 can come. So again 7 options. So total will be 7 into 7 factorial. Corresponding to all other 7 into 7 factorial. And I can write it as 8 into 7 factorial. If you add up all. We add up all, we'll get what? 7 factorial outside, 28 plus 8, 36. 36 into 7 factorial. See, we have to form 90 and 8-digit number. Here, the work is completed. Without using these 2 digits, these many 8-digit numbers are possible. Without using these two digits, the work is completed. We are doing the same job by other way. That's a plus. Without using these 2 digits, the number of 8-digit such numbers is 7 into 7 factorial. That's why this, and so on. So total equals 7 for that, 28 plus 8, 36. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
If you understand, you will find this is the most interesting topic in the entire method. And beauty of this topic is the question will be this much big, answer will be this much. That's why good students always have edge over others in these topics, especially permutation, combination, and probability. Within second they can do. Just read the question and answer. That's it. It doesn't take time. If you understood, if you understand clearly. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt anywhere?
No, sir.
चलो बेसिक क्वेश्चन करो. There are 20 points in a plane, of which exactly 10 are collinear. Means out of 20 points, 10 points are collinear, and remaining 10 points, no 3 or no 2 and 1 here are collinear. Okay. Remaining 10 points, no 3 of them collinear. Find number of different straight lines and different triangles by joining and different triangles by joining the points. So just think of it.
Hundred and one and 20C3 minus 10C3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, randomly 10 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, no 3 are collinear, and 2 here, 1 here, that is also not collinear. Okay. Now, corresponding to any 2 points here, there will be a straight line. Join these two points. So number 1, 10C2 plus. If you pick up 1 point here, 1 point here, there will be a different straight line. Pick up 1 point here, 1 point here. 10C1 into 10C1. And 1 is here. From here we will get this one, 10C2. 10C1 into 10C1. This type of lines. This will count this type of lines. Now, one more line. This one.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1. See, this one is this type of lines. Pick up any 2 points. Corresponding to every selection of 2 points, there is a line.
Sir, that will be 20C2, no sir, because in that collinear lines also we can take 2 points and make a line.
If you pick up 2 points here, extend it, it will be same line.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it will be same line. You pick up these 2 points, these 2 points, or these 2 points. All selection will give us
Straight line.
same line. Okay, so that's why this separate set from this set corresponding to every selection of 2 points, there is a line. And this is one line. You pick up any 2 points out of these 10 points, you will get the same line. Now, this type is 1 point here, 1 point here. Number of ways of selecting 1 point here into, because we have to select 2 points. Job is over. Here, job is completed. So plus. Our job is to select 2 points. Okay. 2 points, work completed, plus 10C1, 1 point here, 10C1, 1 point here. Completed, plus this one.
Hello, sir.
Is it okay?
Sir,
Sir.
I have not
Yes, sir.
that.
Huh?
Sir, I have doubt, sir, that how you took 1, sir.
This one, this line.
Yes, sir.
Pick up any 2 points here. If you extend it, we will get the same line.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That one is it.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Now triangles. Now, now tell me the triangles. Pick up any 3 points here. Tell me the answer for triangles.
So 10C3 into 10C2 into 10C1.
अभी जैसे ही मारूंगा थप्पड़ अभी 10C3 y into
Sorry,
क्या
plus,
बोला हूं मैं?
plus,
Plus.
Plus.
plus, sorry, sir.
Our job is to select 3 points. Just identify. There is no confusion in plus and into. Till the job over into. Once job is before the job over, it is into.
Into, yes.
And after completion of the job, it is
Plus.
Plus,
that's it. Our job is to select 3 points. It's over. Then
Plus 10C2 into 10C1.
correct. After that,
Plus 10C1 into 10C2, sir.
10C1 into
10C2.
10C2. Very good. Understood? 2 points here, 1 point here. Different triangle. 2 point here, 1 point here.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Uh,
In second part of the question, sir,
hmm.
we are taking 10C2 into 10C1 and 10C1 into 10C2. We are adding it because we are taking 2 points at in one place and 1 point in other. But why we are taking that 10C3, sir?
10C3 is this one. From this set.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
So time देके करो. In how many ways can the letters of the English alphabet in how many ways can the letters of the English alphabet be arranged, all the letters, all 26, be arranged in a row such that there are exactly 7 letters in between A and B. Repeat. The 4 factorial, it should be 24 factorial into 2 factorial, but that is also not correct. We have to arrange all 26 alphabets. So if you arrange remaining 24 alphabets, work is not completed. So 24 factorial into 2 factorial. You are thinking in that way, A and B, 2. But this is not correct. Answer is not correct. Don't say plus. It should be into. See, just fix up the place. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, seventh place, eighth place, ninth place, 10th place, 24th place, 25th place, 26th place. Suppose fixing up A in first place, first and eighth, corresponding to fixing A and B in first and eighth place. Okay, remaining 24 letters can be arranged. In how many ways? First place, this is place, third place, fourth place, eighth place, ninth place, 20, 24, 25th, 26th. These are placed. Fixing A and B in corresponding to 1 and 8th, fixing A and B. How many arrangements are possible? 24 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 factorial is A and B can be interchanged. A and B can be interchanged. And remaining 24 factorial, remaining 24 alphabets can be arranged in 24 factorial ways. Second possibility is fixing A and B in second and ninth place.
Yes, sir.
Corresponding to this, same
24 factorial into 2 factorial.
like that. Difference is 7, 18th place and 26th place. 18th or
18 and 26, sir.
huh?
18 and 26.
19 and 26, na?
Yes, sir.
Last case. 19th fix up A, 19th place, in between 7, 7 plus 1, 9. So corresponding to this also, how many arrangements?
24 factorial into 2
2
factorial.
factorial. That's it. So we have to add all. How many cases are possible? Total
19.
19.
19. Total 19 cases, and corresponding to each case, the number of arrangements is 24 factorial into
2 factorial.
2 factorial. Therefore, total number of ways equals सोचो थोड़ा. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Among all 7-digit numbers, among all 7-digit numbers means all the numbers in which 7 is repeated also. Numbers have been repeated also. How many of them? have exactly 3 sevens. How many of them has exactly 3 sevens?
Sir, 4 factorial into 7C3.
Picks up 7 here. 7 is at 7th place. Okay. Now
18
we
into
want
7C3.
2 sevens in remaining 6 places. So fixing 7 here one way, and we have to select 2 place for 2 sevens. Select 2 places out of 6 places for 2 sevens. Now work is not completed. We have to form a 7 digit number. 3 places are over. 3 sevens we already put. Now, other than 7, we have 9 digits. And how many places we are left with? 4.
Yes, sir.
And each place has how many options?
9.
9. Remaining 4 place, each place has 9 options.
The 10 options, no, sir.
No, we need exactly 3 sevens. So 3 sevens already I put. 1 7 fixed. I fixed 1 7 here, and I selected 2 places for remaining 2 7. Select 2 place and put 2 7 there. If you interchange 2 7, the number will remain same because these 2 sevens are identical. 3 sevens we already put in 3 places.
Yes, sir.
And we are left with how many places?
4 places.
4 places. And each place has how many options? 9.
And
Now we can't put 7. We can't put
7. Yes, sir.
7. So 9 to the power of 4. This is one case. Other case, suppose 7 is not in 7th place. See, only problem here, we can't put 0 here. We can't put 0 here, we can't put 7 here because all the numbers in which 7 is in 7th place has been counted here. All the numbers of 7 digit numbers having exactly 3 sevens and 7 is in 7th place, has been counted here. Now 7 is not there, 0 is not there. How many options we have here for this place? 8. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
We can't put 0, we can't put 7 because we already have kept 7 here. That type of number has been counted here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Here, how many options?
8.
Now for 3 sevens, how many places we need?
3.
3. And out of how many places we have to select 3?
6. 6 places.
6 C3. And we can't arrange because all 3 sevens are identical. If you
Yes, sir.
interchange sevens, the numbers will remain same.
Same.
3 place, 1 place, 4 places are over. We are left with how many places? We are left
3
with
places.
3 places. And
Three.
each place has how many options?
9.
9. Because we can't put 7.
We can put 7. Yes, sir.
So 9 cube. You can think in your own way. If you think in that direction, do it in your own way. Same answer. So the total answer is here 7-digit number is formed. Here also 7-digit number is formed. This type here 17 is in 7th place. This type is 7 is not in 7th place. In other 3 places. So total equals 6C2 into 9 to the power 4 plus 8 into 6C3 into 9 cube. You can keep it in this form or you can simplify based on the options. ठीक है, that's all for today. Shall I disconnect?
1 minute, sir.
So 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
So thank you.
Is